Moscow, the capital of Russia, is a vibrant and diverse metropolis offering a rich mix of history, culture, and stunning scenery. Known for its iconic landmarks, Moscow has become a popular destination for tourists from all over the world. Whether you're planning your next trip or just want to admire this remarkable city from above, exploring Moscow by drone is a great way to appreciate its architectural landmarks, immerse yourself in its rich history and be inspired by its vibrant atmosphere. Moscow boasts an impressive array of cultural institutions such as art galleries, museums, and theaters. The Tretyakov Gallery houses an extensive collection of Russian art spanning centuries, while the Pushkin Museum showcases masterpieces from around the world. For those seeking outdoor adventure or serene scenery amidst bustling city life, Moscow offers several parks and green spaces. The famous Sparrow Hills provide spectacular panoramic views of the cityscape as well as places for outdoor activities. Tourism in Moscow has experienced significant growth in recent years due to its well-developed infrastructure and improved accessibility. The city's efficient transportation system makes it easy for visitors to travel to various attractions.